Hi, I'm Alef from Berlin, Germany, and I'm doing my internship here in Hong Kong with the Intern Group. I chose Hong Kong because partially I really wanted to go into the East. I wanted to study in China or maybe study in China or see what's going on in China, especially because I'm doing mechanical engineering as my bachelor. All the interesting things in engineering are obviously happening at the moment in China and in the East. So I thought Hong Kong was a good opportunity for me to experience what's going on, for me to also decide on if this is a place I could see myself living, if I could see myself working here, what the work culture's like, and obviously also seeing what the people are like and seeing a bit more not only of Hong Kong but also being able to from inside of Hong Kong be able to travel out. We've been to places like Shenzhen, Taiwan, Macau, so it's been very interesting. It's been very eye-opening for me. So I interned at Novus Life Sciences here in Hong Kong, working position obviously intern, but I had got a lot of projects. And I think that's what a lot of interns at my company do is they will receive projects to work on different things, and then a lot of leeway to do it by themselves, and then also some guidance by obviously our boss Wilson. And so I did everything from learning how to print and learning how to produce materials to designing things in CAD and kind of creating tooling and really just getting an idea of the entire industry that they're working in. So Wilson's been very nice, let me join in on meetings to kind of see exactly how the business side of it also works, what's important when gaining funding, and how to also be a tech company inside of Hong Kong, which has been really eye-opening to me. I don't know, my internship, I've really enjoyed hanging out with the other interns. I'd say for us, we've been a perfect group. We all merged very well together. So there was only 8 of us this time, but we really got along with each other very well. I think I've made friends for life, and I've always just really enjoyed kind of going out to dinner after work with everybody, and then afterwards we always do another activity. A big thing that ended up happening afterwards is we had one intern who was very much into his Chinese tea, so we used to do mahjong and tea nights where we just made tea and played mahjong. We did everything. We did all sorts of things. We did when the other interns left. We did a superlatives presentation, which was very fun. We got all the interns to kind of come back together and discuss everything that kind of happened. Yeah, who's most likely to end up in Shenzhen after a night out or other different funny things. And we all I really enjoyed the social aspect of it, kind of hanging out. I loved our beach days, enjoying the amazing Hong Kong weather, and just kind of being a group and doing stuff together. I would say calm, obviously, first thing. I've really enjoyed my internship. I think this has been one of the greatest experiences of my life. I think when I talk with the other interns as well, this has arguably been the greatest 10 weeks of our lives because there's so much to do here, and I think especially because it is such a short period at the end of the day, you end up being feeling obliged to do a lot of stuff. And I think the other thing is don't feel intimidated when you come. I think a lot of people, when I came, I was actually not that intimidated, but I know a lot of people were because it's obviously going somewhere totally different. If you've never experienced a culture like it is in Hong Kong, if you've never really been in the East, I think it can be a bit scary, but everyone here is super welcoming. Everyone's amazing to talk to. Everyone's very nice. There's so much to do. And at the end of the day, I think the other interns are in the same boat as you. So you kind of feel like there's a community in the whole thing. So it's actually very fun. And yeah, don't feel intimidated when you show up. I think in the first week, you'll realize what an amazing decision it is to have come to Hong Kong.